Most of us need our day to begin well. Suppose you had a plan for a hot shower before going out on a winter morning, but suddenly you notice there is no electricity. What you will feel? How you will think about the situation? Welcome to Born to Achieve Motivation. Today we are going to see about perspective. What is perspective? It can be defined in two ways. It means a particular way of considering something or to think about a situation or a problem in a wise and reasonable way. It also means a particular way of viewing things that depends on one's experience and personality. Sometimes things appears to be big, but in big picture it is actually something small. Perspective always matters a lot. The key to successful relationship lies solely in an ability to take the perspective of another. Perspective taking is that all important skill where one can able to look at the things from a point of view of other than his own. Successful problem solving skill mainly depends on a person's ability to analyze the perspective of the opponent and also understanding how it will affect the opponent and how that person will react emotionally and attitudinally. If a person cannot take the perspective of an opponent, then his or her understanding of the issue is limited and incomplete. Some important aspects of perspective are: think of others. Whenever we are in the presence of another, it is natural to think about what they may be thinking about you. Next, emotional regulation and understanding. To be effective with others, we must be aware of what might trigger us so we can quickly refocus ourselves on what is happening with the others. Next, interpreting words. We all know that what a person say is not always what the person actually means. So take proper time that requires to infer the actual meaning of what they are trying to say. Next, respecting difference. We must be remain open-minded and respectful to what others believe when relating to them. This means knowing what not to say as much as means knowing what to say. We live in an interconnected world where not being able to see things in perspective can cause a multitude of issues because what we see or hear may not be what is really is. We have to know the context in which things happens. We have to understand the background in order to interpret things correctly. If we take things out of context or fail to see things from the other side of the coin, we could land up ourselves in trouble. So stay cautious about the perspective in which you see things from today. Always remember, the right perspective makes the impossible possible. Stay positive always. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this content. Kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel. Do click the bell button to get regular updates. Thank you. Have a great time ahead.